Welcome to the Travel Squad podcast, where adventure meets inspiration. We're your hosts. I'm Brittany.
I'm Kim.
And I'm Jamal. Together we explore international destinations, hike epic national parks, and share unforgettable travel experiences with you, one passport stamp at a time.
Our mission is to inspire you to travel by showing you how you can make it work no matter your budget, schedule, or experience level.
We bring you along so that you can laugh, get excited, and start planning your own trip.
So grab your ticket and your passport.
And don't forget your travel insurance.
And get ready to embark on a new adventure with us around the globe. Hey, Squaddies. Travel Squad Podcast is back with Just the Tip, our Friday mini episode series where we give you quick travel stories, hacks, and recommendations to set you off into the weekend right. Today, you have me, Brittany, as your host, and I'll be sharing with you everything you need to know about the Southwest Companion Pass. So the coveted Southwest Companion Pass is an elite travel benefit that's almost too good to be true. Jamal and I have had the opportunity to earn it a few different times, and so we're going to dive into the different ways you can earn it and what it is. So if you haven't heard of it before, the Southwest Companion Pass allows another passenger to fly with you for free. All they have to pay is the taxes, which is $5.60 each way, so $11.20 round trip. And they can fly with you in an unlimited number of times for the life of the pass. So basically, it's like a BOGO for Southwest flights, which can amount to a huge amount of savings if you fly Southwest a lot within the amount of time that you have the companion pass for. So I've mentioned that we've had the pass a few different times. Jamal and I have earned it about 3 times in the past, and we've saved thousands of dollars by using it. So there's a few different ways on how you can earn the pass, so we'll get into those. So to qualify for the traditional companion pass, you'll either need to fly 100 qualifying flights in a calendar year. And this is probably not realistic for most people unless they're traveling for business a ton. That's like 1 round trip flight per week, so probably not super attainable. Another way you can earn the traditional companion pass is to earn 135,000 qualifying rewards points in a calendar year. So for the qualifying rapid rewards points, you can earn those in 3 different ways. You can pay for flights booked through Southwest. You can earn base points earned from rapid rewards partners, and you can also earn points on Southwest credit cards. So no matter which way you earn it, whether you're flying the 100 flights or you're earning the 135,000 points, once you meet the criteria, you'll earn the companion pass for the rest of the year for which you qualified and the following calendar year. So let's say that you earn the pass in January 2024, then it'll be valid through the end of December 2025. So that's almost 2 years of getting BOGO flights, which is amazing. But you'll need to requalify every year to hold on to your status. There are some non-traditional ways to earn the companion pass. Sometimes Southwest sends out special promo emails that allow you to earn the companion pass for a certain amount of time. Usually it's just a few months if you book a flight in the window that they're offering. So just recently they had a deal that if you book either 2 one-way flights or 1 round trip flight by a certain time, then you would earn companion pass for 2 months in future months. So for the most recent criteria, I had to book in September of 2024, and there was only like a 3-day spread of which I could book. And then I had to take those flights by November of 2024. And then the companion pass worked between like January and March. And so for this one, it's only a 2-month companion pass, which isn't the best deal we've had before. But I was like, well, what can I book with that? And we could actually go round trip to Hawaii, and Jamal would just be paying the taxes by me earning this pass. So it would be worth it because I already had a trip planned that I needed to book anyways. And so I wasn't really spending any extra money to earn this. I was just adjusting my flights and things so that I could earn this and then adding on an extra trip.
Ryan Reynolds here from Mint Mobile. With the price of just about everything going up during inflation, we thought we'd bring our prices down. So to help us, we brought in a reverse auctioneer, which is apparently a thing.
Mint Mobile Unlimited Premium Wireless. How to get 30, 30, bit to get 30, bit to get 20, 20, 20, bit to get 20, 20, bit to get 15, 15, 15, 15, just $15 a month? Sold!
Give it a try at mintmobile.com/switch.
$45 upfront payment equivalent to $15 per month. New customers on first 3-month plan only. Taxes and fees extra. Speed slower above 40 gigabytes. See detail.
My dad works in B2B marketing. He came by my school for career day and said he was a big ROAS man. Then he told everyone how much he loved calculating his return on ad spend. My friends still laugh at me to this day.
Not everyone gets B2B, but with LinkedIn, you'll be able to reach people who do. Get a $100 credit on your next ad campaign. Go to linkedin.com/results to claim your credit. That's linkedin.com/results. Terms and conditions apply. LinkedIn, the place to be, to be.
ABC Wednesday, October 9th.
Y'all complain all day. We want books. We want paper towels in the classroom. Bet you want raises, too.
I'm still waiting on the paper towels.
Abbott Elementary returns with a new season.
We asked the district for more after-school programs. They gave us $50 for class pets instead.
Critics cheer. Abbott Elementary continues to be one of the funniest and most beloved shows on TV.
What y'all doing out there?
Taking bribes.
Proud of y'all.
Abbott Elementary, season premiere Wednesday, October 9th on ABC and stream on Hulu.
Southwest also sometimes mails out credit card offers that include Companion Pass for a limited amount of time, but they will not send you this offer if you already have a credit card with them because it comes with the credit card. And so if you already have a card, then there's no incentive for them to send this offer to you. And by sending out the mailings in the mail, we've qualified for the Companion Pass 3 different times in the past, and then this last time, so I guess technically 4 times now. The pass has been valid for just shy of a year each time when we've redeemed the credit card offers with the Companion Pass. So a little tip for you guys, if you already have flights booked, then what I do is just reshop the flights, and if they're cheaper or at the same price, I just cancel Jamal's flight portion of it and then bank those flight credits and then add him on as my companion for the $560 so that in the future, once we don't have Companion Pass, he at least has flight credits for future flights. And recently they actually made them so that they don't expire, so you'll never lose the value, which is amazing. So one of the rules of Companion Pass is that there must be at least 1 seat available for sale in any fare class on the flight for which you've purchased your own ticket. And you can purchase your own ticket with cash or Southwest points. And on a standard length Companion Pass, you're allowed to change your companion up to 3 times per year, not including your initial companion. This means theoretically you can have as many as 7 people as your companion over 2 calendar years, but it's very tricky to do so because if you already have a flight purchase with your current companion, you can't switch that companion and book another flight and have 2 flights booked with 2 different companions at the same time. You would actually have to wait for your first flight to be over and done with, switch your companion, then make that next booking. And so it makes it a little bit more complicated. But, if you're a couple or you have a best friend and you're not really switching a lot, it's an amazing deal.
911, what's your emergency?
Oh my God, bees.
You said bees?
ABC Thursdays, 911 is all new.
That truck was hauling 22 million killer bees.
With the 3-part season premiere of that.
That's enough bees to kill
44,000 people.
Is that some bee NATO?
This one's gonna sting.
Help is coming!
911, all new Thursdays, 8/7 Central on ABC and stream on Hulu.
Right now, get scary good deals on select Ring cameras and doorbells. See who's there. Keep your scaredy cats company.
Oh, it's okay, sweetie. I'll be home soon.
And protect your crypt from the real monsters.
Oh, come on. The sign says take one.
Save big on select Ring devices right now at ring.com.
Hey, it's Kaylee Cuoco for Priceline. Ready to go to your happy place for a happy price? Well, why didn't you say so? Just download the Priceline app right now and save up to 60% on hotels. So whether it's Cousin Kevin's Kazoo Concert in Kansas City, go Kevin, or Becky's Bachelorette Bash in Bermuda, you never have to miss a trip ever again. So download the Priceline app today. Your savings are waiting.
Go to your happy place for a happy price. Go to your happy price, Priceline.
Another little tricky thing about the Southwest Companion flight is if you need to alter or edit your current flight, you do actually have to cancel the companion flight for the person first, then change your flight, and then re-add your companion back on. I'm not sure if it's the same way if you actually call Southwest, but that's the process online. I know I've done it a million times, so that's how it's been, but I'd be interested to know if you could avoid that by calling them. So we kind of talked about the different ways to earn Companion Pass, but the fastest and probably the easiest way to earn Companion Pass is to earn the 135,000 rapid rewards points to get you to that status. And you might be thinking, like, how much do I have to spend to hit that amount? But realistically, the quickest way to get that pile of points is probably by earning the sign-up bonus on at least one of their 3 Southwest personal credit cards. So they have the Southwest Rapid Rewards Plus credit card, the Premier credit card, and the Priority credit card. I currently have the Priority credit card, and honestly, you would have to go online, compare these 3 cards, their annual fees, their rewards, and their perks. And of course, you do have to be able to qualify for the credit card itself. And when we do talk about credit cards, I just do want to put a disclaimer out there that if you're not in a position to get a credit card, we're not encouraging you to. We always pay our balances off in full. And our goal is not for anyone to go into debt. Like, we're always trying to promote responsible spending on things that we would use anyways. But while we're talking about those 3 credit cards that Southwest offers for personal use, each of them earn 50,000 bonus points after spending $1,000 on purchases in the first 3 months from account opening. $1,000, super easy to spend. So you'll easily hit the 50,000 bonus points and you're partway there to 135,000 points. And then on top of that, there are also 2 business credit cards in which you can earn up to 120,000 points. These are the big points. So they have the Southwest Rapid Rewards Premier Business Credit Card, which you'll earn 60,000 bonus points after spending 3,000 on purchases in the first 3 months. And then you'll get an additional 60,000 points when you spend $15,000 in 9 months. So by meeting both of those criteria, that would make the 120,000 points. And then they also have the Southwest Rapid Rewards Performance Business Credit Card, which has a sign-up bonus of 80,000 points after you spend 5,000 on purchases in the first 3 months from account opening, and an additional 40,000 points when you spend 15,000 in 9 months. So that'll also take you to 120,000 points if you meet both criteria. So if you earn the 120,000 points from the business credit card, plus also open a personal credit card, then total you will surpass what's needed to get the 135,000 points, because that would put you at about 170,000 points. If you do plan to open both a personal credit card as well as the business credit card, obviously you're going to hit the points faster. But if you do plan on doing this, we suggest that you strategically sign up for the cards. I would say sign up for them in about mid-October or later 2024, but you actually don't want to hit the criteria until January 2025. And the reason why you don't want to hit the criterias in 2024 is because if you earn it at the very end of 2024, your companion pass is only going to be valid through December 2025. But if you meet the criteria in early January 2025, then you'll have the companion pass available to you until the end of December 2026. So instead of a year of the companion pass, you would get almost 2 years of benefits. Any ongoing rewards and sign-up bonuses all account towards traditional companion pass, as do travel anniversary points that you get with any of the Southwest credit cards. Let's say you're not interested in opening up both a personal Southwest credit card and a business Southwest credit card at the same time. You can, pick and choose which one works better for you. And then you can see if you can meet the difference in points in other ways. And there are a few different ways for you to meet those points. So you can fly Southwest and use your Southwest credit card to pay for the tickets. Every Southwest card earns 2 points per dollar spent on Southwest flights. So if you spend $100 on a flight, then you'll earn 200 points. You can book a hotel or rental card with a Rapid Rewards partner and pay with your card. And these are big name companies like Hyatt, Marriott, Hertz, Budget. So you'll earn points on that. You can also shop online through Southwest Bonus Mall, and spending money through the Rapid Rewards shopping partners can net you some extra points for your regular spending that you're going to spend anyways. And then they also have a Rapid Rewards dining member option. And so when you dine at participating restaurants and you pay with your card, then you earn more of those qualifying points. There's a few things that you want to think about not doing, but you might be tempted to see if it would work. And these are things that don't work. So if you do transfer points from another card, like let's say the Chase Sapphire Preferred card or the Reserve card, those points you can transfer to Southwest, but they're not going to count towards your Companion Pass eligibility. You also can't really buy your way to a Companion Pass, so points that you purchase directly typically don't count, nor will points that you transfer between members or from hotel or car loyalty programs. If you're applying for the cards, also don't forget that Chase has the 524 rule, which means that you can't have opened 5 cards in the last 2 years or else they're not going to approve you. So we've talked about what the pass is, how to earn it, and some things not to do. But overall, I really think the Companion Pass is such a great perk and one of the best Companion Pass offers out there. So some other companies advertise a Companion Pass, but it's usually only valid for one round trip flight, and sometimes it's just a discounted price. So they're definitely not as good as this Companion Pass. So I'm going to end this episode on a real fucking hard piece of info. So the Companion Pass works for flights that are booked with points and miles. So if you can actually book your flight with points and miles, you do have to pay the $560 per flight for the taxes and fees. But then you add your companions and they pay $560 per flight for their taxes and fees. Then you've essentially gotten 4 flights total for a round trip situation for a total of $22.40. Literally the cost of taxes. There is no better deal than this. So just wanted to end on that you can just really get them good right there. So thank you so much, Squatties, for tuning in to Just the Tip. Please make sure to subscribe, leave a review, and follow us on all the socials at Travel Squad Podcast. And have fun traveling this weekend. Bye, Squatties.